Hi Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless, so you can be open to messages anytime you come across this video. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Gemini. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na messages or energies for Gemini, please? Gemini. Blessings. Gemini. Wow, Page of Swords. Yeah. For some of you, you are researching. You are doing some research sa inyong projects or para sa inyong business kung paano i-improve. Okay? Yeah, you are learning something new. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, merong spying and stalking, kumukuha ng information about you, or this is you, Gemini, you are getting information about someone, okay? You are getting some truth, okay, about a situation. Yes, yung iba sa inyo, you're almost losing confidence, but believe in yourself, okay? Be strong. Be confident at the same time sa inyong ginagawa, sa work man to or sa inyong business or negosyo. Okay? Yeah. Your concerns will fade away. A love of life. There is happiness and contentment. Okay? A wish come true for you. Gemini. Yeah. Magkakaroon ka ng confidence and willpower to get what you want, kung ano yung dreams mo or yung goals mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be traveling, maybe abroad, a business trip. Okay? You are also being recognized sa galing ninyo or sa trabaho ninyo. Meron kayong important achievement. Okay? Gemini, maybe this is in your work or in your business. Yes, the Empress, okay? Abundance, prosperity, okay? There is also a good relationship between you and your children, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga creative projects or passion projects na wini-work out ngayon, and soon it will be revealed or will be launched, okay? So give birth to your dreams. Wow. The Empress, you are nurturing, okay? Wow, Ace of Pentacles, new contracts, new business ventures, okay? New job, okay? Bagong opportunity, pagkakaperahan, or opportunity about kaperahan. New contracts. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving money, but big money, big incentives, big commission, bigger salary, okay? New contract, an opportunity ng pagkakitaan, okay? Wow. Nice. The Tower, okay? Merong pagbabago or distraction in your situation sa sistema. Maybe about systems sa work. Okay, or relationships sa work. The tower must fall in order that something new or better can be built. Okay? It is meant to happen. Parang kailangan mangyari to para may new beginnings. Okay? At maitama yung kailangang itama. Gemini. For some of you, maybe this is a relationship. Yeah, plannings. You're thinking about partnership. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be traveling. Okay? Nag-iisip na kayo ng mga challenges na pwede nyo ma-encounter at kung ano yung solusyon doon. Okay? Yeah. Yes. Money. Kaperahan. Fulfillment. Happy life. Happy home life. Contentment. Okay? Security and stability about money in your family. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you need to spend time with your family. You need to make time para sa inyong pamilya, para sa inyong mga anak or asawa. At the same time, may mga kailangang ayusin or pag-usapan about legacy. Yes. Plans. Okay? You need to strategize for the future. Gemini, for some of you, mag-ingat sa mga betrayal or deceptions. Yeah. Okay? Protect your family, protect your income, protect your resources, protect your money. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, ingatan na inyong mga valuable things dyan. Okay. For some, kailangan yung mag-strategize about your business to improve further. Okay. Ingat sa mga nakawan at the same time. Okay. Nakawan of properties, nakawan of money. Okay. So, protect your properties, protect your money, your resources, protect your family. Queen of Pentacles, kung merong mga difficulties in your situation, sa bahay ninyo or about your business, you have to deal with it. You have to deal with it with kindness and understanding. Okay? Kailangan ng pag-uusap para masolusyonan kung merong mga concerns or difficulties. Yung iba sa inyo, you're thinking about purchasing something na mahal, okay, or costly. Yeah. Nag-iisip kayo. You need big money for that, okay? For some, you will be allocating budgets and allowances, okay? You will be sharing money or giving to someone. Yeah. Yes, kung meron kayong negosyo, it is doing well. Okay, namamayagpag ang inyong negosyo because of your hard work, because of your diligence. Okay, yeah, if you are self-employed, you are doing well also. Yeah, you are enjoying luxuries, little luxuries in your life because of your hard work. This is your hard-earned money. You are enjoying it. Yeah, for yung iba sa inyo, you are single and independent, financially secured. You are spending time alone for yourself, enjoying luxuries in life. Why not? King of Wands. Okay. Fortune is on its way. Embrace it. Okay? Have some vision also. Take a leadership. Plan. Paano pa umunlad or umasenso palalo ang inyong trabaho or ang inyong negosyo or inyong pinagkakakitaan. Okay? Okay? You need also, kailan mo rin ng strong leadership. Maybe this is you. You are a leader, okay? You are artistic, creative. Yeah, for some of you, kailangan nyo ng advice from someone na mas may alam about, most especially about creatives or creativity. Okay. Yeah, happy times ahead for you, Gemini. Wow. Yes, Knight of Swords. Be wise also sa mga desisyon na gagawin ninyo. Okay? Avoid arguments. Be confident. Okay? For some, you are also being defensive. Defensive ka. Okay? Defensive ka. Okay? Yeah. Family. There is forgiveness. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, namimiss ninyo ang inyong family in the province or in your hometown, maybe in the Philippines or kung nasa ibang bansa kayo. Okay? Soon, you will be meeting them. Yeah. Yeah, there is forgiving and healing in the family. Okay? Or with someone. Okay? A past person na may ginawa na hindi maganda sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, there is reminiscing. Nagre-reminisce kayo, naaalala nyo yung mga moments in the past. Okay? You are feeling nostalgia. Okay? Yung mga happy times noon, naaalala ninyo. Yes, Gemini. Okay? Yeah, you are in, yung iba sa inyo, you are in defense mode. You are very confident about what you have, about who you are. Okay? You are a strong leader. Yeah, beware also because may mga changes also na mangyayari. Changes occurring quickly. Okay, so be prepared of that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Ano pa yung messages for Gemini? So, there is blessings, money, success, okay, wish come true, travel, abundance and prosperity. Okay? Change of system, may kailangang baguhin sa sistema. Yeah, merong planning. Sistema about sa work mo to or sa negosyo mo to or sa relationship. Okay? So that something solid can be built, something new. Ingat sa mga deception, sa mga pagnanakaw, okay? Protect your money. Protect what you have. Direction, do not deviate from your path. Attract a mentor if necessary. Plan where you want to be. Independence, manage money yourself. Independence guarantees security. Don't depend on others. Transformation, change is the natural order of things. Do not be afraid of the unknown. Okay? Angels, what is your message for Gemini? Gemini. Exercise to increase your energy and manifestation abilities. The key to manifesting quickly is to have very high energy levels, and the easiest way to increase them is through physical exercise. Choose a fun and meaningful activity so that you will look forward to exercising and it becomes its own reward. Okay, exercise. Give attention to your health. Okay. Spirit message. What is your message, Spirit, for Gemini? Spirit message for Gemini. You wouldn't plant a seed and then dig it up every few minutes to see if it has grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself, your hard work, and your decisions? Have patience. Stop overthinking and keep watering your seeds. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Gemini. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!